Hi there, and welcome to Gallabox tutorial videos. If you are a Gallabox partner managing multiple client accounts, staying on top of each client's subscription status is key to keeping their services uninterrupted. In this quick video, we will show you how to manage client subscriptions directly from your partner dashboard, whether you need to upgrade an existing one or check renewal dates. Head over to the partner dashboard by clicking the switch to Partner Hub on the right side of your screen located under the Accounts feature. To oversee your subscriptions, select the Manage Subscription button found on the right-hand side of the window. This action will trigger a pop-up, allowing you to review all the subscriptions linked to your child account. Click on the button below your account details to open the list of child subscription. Although the button is transparent, it is still easy to spot. For the account you would like to edit the subscription for, click on that among the list. To make changes, click the Edit Subscription button. This allows you to modify the subscription plan, add users or WhatsApp channels, include any add-ons, or apply a coupon for discounts. To cancel a subscription for any child account, simply click the Cancel Subscription button located under their account details. You will need to provide a reason for the cancellation and then select Confirm Cancellation to complete the process. And that's how you manage client subscriptions with ease from your Gallabox partner dashboard. Found this video helpful? Give it a like, share it with your team, and don't forget to subscribe for more Gallabox tutorials.